Hello students, welcome you all to my geography class. This is 9th standards geography class in which we are going to do about the third chapter, rotation and revolution. As you know that in my previous video, I have explained you with rotation, that is the one movement of the earth, and the second movement I'll be taking in this video. The second movement of the earth is called revolution. First of all, we'll read the definition of revolution. What is the definition of revolution to be written if the question comes in exams? I'll read that. You can also mark in your book. The motion of the earth along the elliptical orbit around the sun in approximately 365 1/4 days termed as revolution. So this is said to be revolution. What is important in this definition? Motion of earth. That is very, very important to be mentioned in the definition, word motion, because this is another type of motion of the earth. Then on elliptical orbit, because the orbit on which earth revolves around the sun is elliptical. Approximately time which has been taken by the earth to complete its full one rotation, that is to be mentioned here, that is 365 1/4. 1/4 over here means 6 hours. If we take into account as per the hours, we'll be writing days and hours. We'll be writing 365 days fully and 6 hours are termed as 1/4. So 365 days and 6 hours. This is called also a year. This is termed also as a year. Revolution's definition is having specific time. Can also be mentioned as a year, and they can also ask you what do you mean by a year. There you have to mention the time period earth takes to complete one revolution, one circle around the sun upon its elliptical orbit. Now as in this, when we come to know about 365 1/4, then a question rises that what do you mean by a leap year? This 1/4 means 6 hours every year if are to be added. Then after 4th year, these 1/4, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 makes 24 hours is to be added in the month of February to correct the tropical calendar. That is said to be leap year, in which we add up the additional time which is taken by the earth to complete its full one revolution, that is 1/4, is to be added up. It is a multiple of 4. 4 also you can say, and to be added into the month of February. Then the month of February turned as 29 days, not of 28 days. So that year in which February has 29 days is said to be a leap year, and it appears after every 4th year. Then is perihelion and aphelion. This is another topic over here, perihelion and aphelion. What is the meaning of it, perihelion and aphelion? I would explain it with the help of distinguish between perihelion and aphelion. Both of the words are taken from Greek language, in which peri means near, ap means away, and helion means sun over here, as well as there it is sun. So when the earth nearest to the sun, that position is said to be perihelion, and when earth is far away from the sun, it is at farthest point, then it is said to be the aphelion. Now we should know that what is the time or what is the date specifically for it. So perihelion appears on 3rd of January and aphelion appears on 4th of July. Now the distance we should know because it is nearest distance and that is the farthest distance. So nearest is 147 million kilometers away from the sun. Earth is at that time it is said to be perihelion, and when aphelion means at that time on 4th of July every year of the earth is to measured as 152 million kilometers. Normal distance is 150 million kilometers, which is taken as the mean distance of the earth from the sun. Now is speed of revolution. Mean velocity of speed of the earth is 1,07,000 kilometers per hour. This is the mean velocity of the speed of the earth. That can be also said as 30 kilometers per second, or it moves around this sun on its orbit, on its elliptical orbit with the speed 30 kilometers per second. So this velocity varies. It varies as per the perihelion positioning and aphelion positioning. Velocity of the earth is at the greatest when the perihelion position is there, and it is at the least when aphelion position is there. So this is about the speed of the rotation, and then we will be doing about the earth's movement around the sun, at how the movement of the earth is around the sun, whether it is clockwise or it is counterclockwise. So answer is counterclockwise. So this is all about the topic revolution. There are the effects of revolution as well, which will be taken in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, be healthy. Thank you.